Hello, I'm Jay Ko, founder and CEO of I Am Media. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Splashmaker, a tool that's more than just software. It's a pathway for real estate agents like you to manage your business better so you can thrive and help others in turn. Splashmaker was born from the challenges I faced in the real estate industry, both as an agent and brokerage owner, as well as being a small business owner providing marketing services to high-performing real estate agents. Splashmaker is designed to solve real-world problems with straightforward solutions. What truly sets us apart are the core components we focus on, which I call Splash: systems, processes, leverage, automation, skills, and hustle. These are the 6 key elements you need to learn and master to build a powerful business. Many agents struggle without the right support, battling to stay organized, to understand complex tools, or to find that needed motivation. That's why Splashmaker isn't just a platform, it's a community. Here, agents can connect, share their insights, and hold each other up, embodying our belief in success by serving. We're here to help you succeed in your business so that you can go out and make a positive impact on your clients and others in your community. With features like an easy-to-use CRM, automated marketing campaigns, an AI digital ad platform, a GPT-4-powered AI content assistant, pre-made design templates, video ideas, video scripts, and customizable sales funnels, Splashmaker doesn't just free up your time, it empowers you to focus on what truly matters: achieving financial freedom, reclaiming your time, and serving your community effectively. If you're ready to see how Splashmaker can transform your business and help you live out our model of creating success by serving others, I invite you to watch our detailed video. There I dive deeper into how Splashmaker works and the difference it can make. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you build a successful and service-driven real estate business and become a true entrepreneur.